Hey, is it me, mate? It's me, mate. G'day. Here we have something that Chet and I have worked on by ourselves with no help from anybody. Totally ours. Did it in one day. 24 hours. 23 hours. Had time for a beer. Chet filmed all of it on the camera. HD quality. It'll be released later. Look at the shiny bits, mate. Look at the big tool bits here too. You got it, the angle down there, mate. No hands, one hand, same thing. Get a load at this guy right here. If you find yourself in the midst of one zombie, this will allow you to get the job done. Or your money back. Probably not, since you'll be dead. Oh gosh. Not near enough horses. So we put a Corvette motor in there, basically, is what we did. Do you want to show them? Pop the top on this thing. It's there. Underneath it, you've got suspension, big shiny blue shocks. They're the King shocks, the coilover, resis. They're made for doing big, cool, fast stuff. Also are these right here. They're big, cool, fast tires. I know them specifically. We do them all the time. They're the round model, the tall round model. You go to the... He does that bit right there with the camera. What else we got going on here? Yeah. We got the steering to make sure that the wheels go where they're supposed to. We also have bumpers. You get in the shot? Imagine, if you will, you need 4 spaces about this big to store items that are smaller than this. What do you know? It closes too. It's not a one-time use only thing like some of the other compartments. Walmart sacks. There's me mate Chet, me cameraman. Look at what we have here. This beauty has up her sleeve the Bed Slide 1000 CL for sliding your bed bits when you got to put a bunch of crap in the back. It's mounted on top of a deck storage system. So this has enough storage to keep it clean and say store things.
This is what you get.
Sweet. We here at MEO, when we do something that's graphic, it is very graphic. Like these. They're vintage, hand painted by me mate Chet and myself. Just one of the little itty bitty brushes. Not a sticker. Not gonna get any stickers here. Paint. Oh crikey. Is that it? Not bad for 23 hours worth of work. Infinity budget also helps. Add to cart.
Add to cart.
Is this the bit where we wrap it up?
Yes.
Where we're going to end it, Chet?
Yeah, mate.
All right. Yeah, mate. So another Jeep V8 1-ton axle swap with all the bells and all the whistles and all the graphics. It's a very graphic vehicle. And again, Chet, me mate, and myself completed this task by ourselves. No help from... Oh, crikey, you've moved on me again, mate.
Sorry, mate.
Gotta warn me. Jumpy after me. Coffees. Completed in less than a day. Plenty of time to pop down to the pub and have 6 or 17 or 30 beers. It's becoming a problem. Thanks for tuning in. Stay tuned for more and love you, bye. Yeah? Ow, crikey.